Hello, another edition of Cars for the Clueless, and this is Linton Osborne. You might remember me from Nazareth. No? Okay, today we're going to talk about oil and water. Okay, quite often on a hot summer's day you'll see people stuck in a traffic jam and you'll see a lot of cars at the side of the road, bonnets up, a lot of steam pouring out. Is because they haven't got enough water in the tank. They sat in the traffic light, the fans haven't been working and the engine's overheated, and bang. You can save yourself thousands of pounds by just checking your water and your oil. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, I've got two cars here. I've got a Volkswagen Polo, a 6N2 and a Fiat Punto. Now on your Punto, you've got a little plastic tank here. So I might zoom in on that. This is your lid for it. That's the lid. Okay, and if you can see, if I just turn the camera in, that thing, it says min and max on it. Okay, you can see with the lights, this could be doing with topped up just ever so slightly. Okay, and on the Polo, now I wouldn't recommend taking these, if the engine's hot, don't take these caps off or the water will come out, you might get scalded. Cap. Twist your cap off. Now it doesn't have an oil sign on it, which shows that's not the oil one. The oil one would have the universal sign for oil on it. That's your oil cap. We'll go into that later. You don't put water in there, okay, whatever you do. Top it up with water to the max line. This just needs a little touch. Water. Oops. And the job's a good one. Excuse the spillage. And on the Polo, sometimes you need a little screwdriver to get rid of the cap. This one is slightly worn. And I just bring it to the max line just to put this little ridge is here on that expansion tank. And the job's a good one. Oil on this one. We'll clean the dipstick off, and it's got a little mark here. I'll see if we can see this. I'll zoom in on it later, and it should be to the top of this little rough bit here. This is your marker. Okay, so let's see where that is. You push it in all the way, bring it out, Et voila. As you can see, the oil in this car is absolutely bang on, spot on. Clean it off first. Or on the Polo, similar sort of idea. You can see a little rough bit, you know, little marker, and it's to be to the top of this little zone here. Push all the way in. Bring it out. And as you can see, this is my own car, right to the top. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's absolutely spot on. However, if you were to fill needed a spot of oil, try half a litre at a time. Open this up, check on Google or with your local mechanic which is the right type of oil. Half a litre at a time, and keep checking the dick, and the jobs are good, and you'll save yourself a fortune in engine wear and tear, and hopefully not be at the side of the road with steam coming out the bonnet and thousands of pounds worth of repair bills. Oh.